You guys, what up? This is Chykko. I'm over here to show you today on the Ford 2018 Lariat F-350 dually how to do the oil life reset after you've done your oil change. Otherwise, your truck is going to continue telling you that you need an oil change when you already did it. Very simple on this model. Right here you got the these buttons here with arrows. Basically use the right arrow and you'll see it right on the screen. It's gonna go to the right, go all the way down to settings. On settings you're gonna go to advanced setting, vehicle, and then you go down to oil life reset. Once you're there, you press OK, which is the middle one there. Press OK. It's gonna take you to this screen. Then here you're basically gonna press the OK button again and leave it pressed until it says reset complete. There you go, guys. It's very easy. Alright, then you go back to where you had your settings before. And that's good. Now it's not going to tell you again that you need an oil change until another 15,000 miles or whenever the computer thinks that you need an oil change. Alright guys, like and subscribe. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.